नमस्कार, महाराष्ट्र भूषण न्यूज मध्ये आपल्या सर्वांचं स्वागत। आता पाहू बातम्या विस्ताराने। कोरोना महामारी के पार्श्वभूमि पर पिछले 2 महीने से गरीब जनता, मजदूर और गरजू लोगों को हवर्स हैप्पीनेस फाउंडेशन के तरफ से सूखा माल जरूरतमंदों को बांट दिया गया है। कोरोना महामारी को प्रादुर्भाव पूरे भारत देश में फैल रहा है। महाराष्ट्र में पुणे, मुंबई आदि महानगरें रेड जोन में रहने की वजह से 2 महीनों में मुख्य तौर पर सुरक्षाकर्मी, ऑटोकर्मी, मजदूर इन लोगों की हालत बहुत ख़राब हो गई है। इसलिए आवर्स हैप्पीनेस फाउंडेशन की तरफ से सूखा माल, इसमें शक्कर, तूर दाल, मीठा तेल, नमक आदि चीज़ों को मिलकर किट बना के बांट दिया है। इस कार्य के लिए आवर्स हैप्पीनेस फाउंडेशन की संचालिका सोनम गुप्ता, संचालक मनीष गुप्ता, संदीप दादा भंडारी, प्रकाश बोलभट, देविका ताई चौहान, सौरभ भंडारी, डॉक्टर बड़ेराम ओहाळ और ग्रीन अवनी इन लोगों की सहायता मिली। आवर्स हैप्पीनेस फाउंडेशन यह सामाजिक संस्था है। यह संस्था फ्री एजुकेशन, बूढ़े, अंध, गरीब, ज़रूरतमंद लोगों की सहायता करती है। डेवलपमेंट जैसे उपक्रमों के द्वारा युवा पीढ़ी की युवक वर्गों को नौकरी दिलाती है। ऐसी जानकारी संचालिका सोनम गुप्ता इनके तरफ से मिली है।
I want to thank my father, Mr. Mahendra Kumar Gupta, Mrs. Manju Gupta, and her father, Sonam father, Sanjay Gupta, and Indu Gupta. So these are the role model from which we have started this organization, our Happiness Foundation NGO. So this we started from the headquarters. Main headquarters are in Delhi, from where we started this organization, and we have different teams in Delhi and in Pune who are playing this role. And the motive of this organization is when we see the poor people, they are begging in near the traffic light, temples. So from there we thought they are this is not their fault. They are living there in the poor places. So we can do such thing for them. We can educate them, we can provide food, we can provide shelter to them. So from there we started this organization, and since then whether it is any festival or some birthday party, so we are just going into different organization orphanage home we are going. We are visiting old age home also, and there we are distributing many food items and kits to the family members who are living there. And since the lockdown period have started, so we are mostly into this organization where we are distributing to all the needy peoples all these food items. So this is our fourth to fifth drives are there. In Pune we have the 4th drive, and in Delhi also the other teams are working on the cooking food distribution. And now we have collaborated with the Green Avni Foundation who had helped us a lot in this item, in distributing the item. So they are also working in planting the trees and all on the mountains. So we have just collaborated with them, and now we are playing the role of this distributing food items to all these needy people during this lockdown. So we will continue supporting all these throughout the period. Now we will help everyone to just join us using this Our Happiness Foundation. This is a simple URL is there, ourhappinessfoundation.com, and you can join us. You can donate us through this URL. Plus, you can also visit to our YouTube channel, that is Muskurayega India. We have recently launched this official video. You can search it and you can play it, which you can find that it is all we are helping and supporting to all the needy people. So I would also like to thank everyone who are supporting us, who had already supported us, and just willing to all of us who can also join us and support in all these distribution items.